Today's question is strange more than interesting. Let's say, what if gravity didn't double, didn't go crazy, but became just 10% stronger overnight, and that tiny number quietly turned Earth into a survival experiment you didn't sign up for? Gravity is defined by Newton's equation, F gm1 m2 r2. And notice something dangerous here. Mass stays the same, distance stays the same. So if gravity strength increases by 10%, the force pulling everything toward Earth increases by 10% instantly. No warning, no adjustment period. Your body weight W Sauter mg would jump by 10%, meaning a 70-kilo person suddenly feels like 77 kilos, which sounds manageable until you realize your muscles, bones, heart, and blood vessels were evolved for the old G, not the new one. So joint stress increases, muscle fatigue accelerates, and your heart now has to pump blood upward against 10% more force, increasing cardiovascular strain and fainting risk within days. Now zoom out to movement physics. Jump height depends on h-log v2 to 2g. So with higher g, your jump height drops by about 10%. Sprinting becomes harder because every step requires more force to lift your body. And long-term energy expenditure skyrockets because work done against gravity, WMGH, increases every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, meaning humans burn calories faster but fatigue much sooner. Then comes structural failure. Buildings, bridges, and towers are engineered with safety margins based on load, B, mass, X, gravity, so a 10% increase pushes older structures past their design limits, increasing crack propagation, metal fatigue, and collapse probability, especially in high-rise buildings and long-span bridges. Now the real planetary nightmare starts. Atmospheric pressure at sea level is determined by P bar C or RGH. So higher gravity compresses the atmosphere, increasing pressure near the surface, thickening air density, altering wind patterns, increasing drag force FD on A1 POG R2CC AUDA, which slows storms horizontally but makes them dump rain violently in smaller regions, triggering floods and landslides. Oceans aren't safe either. Wave behavior changes, tides grow stronger because tidal force gravity, coastal erosion accelerates, and tectonic plates experience increased normal force, raising friction and stress accumulation, which mathematically increases earthquake energy release since seismic energy scales with stress squared. And here's the silent killer. Earth's orbit stays stable, but escape velocity, VE-NAR, 2GMR, increases, meaning rockets need more fuel, space travel becomes inefficient, satellites require more energy to stay up, and humanity's access to space shrinks overnight. So no, Earth doesn't instantly collapse, people don't get crushed flat, but biology weakens, infrastructure degrades, climate destabilizes, and civilization slowly bleeds efficiency because gravity isn't just a force. It's the background tax on every movement, every structure, and every breath you take. And that's the terrifying truth. Even a 10% increase doesn't destroy the planet dramatically. It destroys it quietly, mathematically, and permanently, long before anyone realizes there's no way back.